जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयमयोगमु 45th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, a practice to attain Atma Sakshatkaram, which is known as Atma Sakshatkara Sadhana, that is a highly meritorious, great act. That is why even if you have a desire to know about that practice, that yogam, that itself makes you released from all kind of sins which are accumulated from so many of your previous lives. Once you get released from those sins, you will become enough qualified to do that practice, enough qualified to start your yoga abhyasam. The moment when you become qualified to do yoga abhyasam, then with all of your perseverance, zeal, you will start your sadhana, then finally you will attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Like that, Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon a greatness of even having a desire to know about Atma Sakshatkara Sadhana. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Prayatnat yatamanastu yogi samsuddha kilbishaha aneka janma samsiddhaha tato yati param gatim. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teaching Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava disclosing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory and sharing it to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, as I said, in Prabhasa Tirtham, all the Yadavas, they drank, they did Madhyapanam. Because of that, Taya Vibhramsita Jnanaha, they did not have any conscience on their body. And then they started scolding each other. By the time of sunset, they started hitting each other. Bhagavan Svatma Mayaya. Because of Paramatma's Sankalpam, Sri Krishna Paramatma's Sankalpam, that is all going on. Then Krishna Paramatma felt that my Sankalpam is giving fruits now. His Sankalpam is to make sure his own dynasty is also completely destroyed. Now that destruction began. That is what Krishna Paramatma thought, and he was satisfied to see that is going on. Then Krishna Paramatma went to Saraswatim Upasprusya Vruksha Moolam Upavisat. He went to the banks of Saraswati. He did Achamanam Saraswati water, and then he went to a tree. Oka Vruksha Moola Talamuna Sakala Guna Abhiramundasi Nundai. He went and sat at the roots of that big tree, and he was leaning towards that tree. O Vidura, then Krishna Paramatma asked me to travel to Badari, saying that Uddhava Badarim Tvam Prayahiti. Now you go to Badari. Krishna told me that. But I did not immediately left from there. I followed Krishna. I have seen Krishna Paramatma sitting all by himself under that tree. Syamavadatam. He is looking so handsome, very beautiful. Virajam. He is an embodiment of pure Sattva Gunam. But he is sitting all by himself. O Vidura, Prasanta Aruna Lochanam. His eyes, just like sunrise, whatever the color would sun have at the time, that sort of redness is there in Krishna Paramatma's eyes. With all amount of peaceness in those eyes, Krishna Paramatma looking so beautiful and handsome. That kind of Sri Krishna Paramatma sitting all by himself under that tree. Ho Vidura, Sakshat Lakshmi Devi's abode Sri Krishna Paramatma. That Sri Krishna Paramatma on the banks of Saraswati, he is sitting all by himself as if there is no place for him to go. Ho Vidura, he is sitting there all by himself as if there is no shelter for him. Ho Vidura, Krishna Paramatma having 4 hands at that time, Ghana, Chaturbahu Sundara Karudu. Not only that, Pita Kesambarena cha. Beautiful Pitambaram he is wearing. Not only that, Letaravi Pai Vennumopi. With all that beautiness, handsomeness, beautiful garments, beautiful ornaments, 4 hands, and leaning towards that tree. Not only that, Vama Vura Vadhisritya Dakshinangrisaroruham. He put his right leg on his left thigh. That is known as Virasanam. Virasanasinundai. He is relaxing all by himself in that posture. Ho Vidura, Nannu Kanna Tanri Ananda Purnudu Danujaharudu. He is the father of, he is only the shelter of all the worlds. Such Paramatma, such my father, he is sitting all by himself. Ho Vidura, I have seen Sri Krishna Paramatma sitting all by himself with all of his joy and mode of accomplishment. Like that, Uddhava sharing the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Sri Madhurashtakam. Gopi Madhura Leela Madhura Yuktam Madhuram Bhuktam Madhuram Ishtam Madhuram Sishtam Madhuram Madhuradhipate Rakhilam Madhuram Madhuradhipate Rakhilam Madhuram. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 45th sloka. Prayatnat yatamanastu yogi samsuddha kilbishaha aneka janma samsiddhaha tato yati param gatim. Prayatnat yatamanastu yogi samsuddha kilbishaha aneka janma samsiddhaha tato yati param gatim. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.